Home remedy for chest infection, 6 all-natural remedies. Chest infections are common, and they frequently occur after or in conjunction with the flu or a cold. They can be minor and fade away on their own in some cases, but there are several natural therapies that can help speed up the process. 1. Lemon and honey. A lemon, honey, and warm water mix is an age-old home cure that is extensively used across the world. Honey's antibacterial properties have been shown to alleviate cough symptoms in a research. Honey also contains ascorbic acid and vitamin C, which have anti-inflammatory qualities. Take a glass of warm water and add a spoonful of lemon juice and honey to make an excellent solution for chest infection. Drink it as soon as you wake up in the morning for the optimum benefits. 2. Stay hydrated. Water makes up more than 70% of the human body, so it's critical to be hydrated at all times, especially if you have a chest infection. The mucus and secretions in the lungs thicken as a result of dehydration. Drinking at least 3 liters of water every day should help the body acquire the hydration it needs. 3. Humidity and steam inhalation. Dryness in the nasal passages is one reason why symptoms worsen with a chest infection. A humidifier generates steam and disperses it around the room, where it may be readily breathed to relieve congestion and release secretions. If you don't have a humidifier, taking a hot shower is another simple way to inhale steam. 4. Try ginger. Ginger has a pungent odor that helps to cleanse the nasal passages. It also possesses anti-inflammatory effects that can aid in the relaxation of the airways in the lungs and the reduction of fever caused by a chest infection. As a result, include ginger in your diet. Taking it as a juice, or drinking it as tea can help your body naturally manage a chest infection. 5. Essential oils. Essential oils such as eucalyptus, lemongrass, rosemary, sandalwood, and even CBD oil, which are naturally derived, can be useful in fighting a chest infection. These oils may be used in a variety of ways, including diffusers and topical application in the form of natural vapor rubs. It relieves nasal congestion and, in certain cases, reduces the spasms that occur as a result of coughing. If you don't have access to a diffuser, consider making your own vapor rub. Combine 2 tablespoons coconut oil with 6 to 8 drops of essential oil, and then massage onto your chest, back, and forehead. 6. Garlic. Garlic can help in the reduction of a bacterial chest infection faster. It can be added to tea, eaten raw, or utilized in cuisine dishes. To create garlic tea, boil 1 cup of water with a teaspoon of freshly grated garlic. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.